to Quiz Kids!
30 questions. Test your knowledge. Get ready. Let's go. Number 1. Pigs can't sweat. True or false? True. Pigs cool off by rolling in mud or water because they don't have sweat glands. Number 2. Roosters crow only in the morning. True or false? False. Roosters can crow any time of the day. Number 3. Horses sleep standing up. True or false? True. Horses can sleep standing up thanks to a special system of tendons and ligaments in their legs. Number 4. Goats can climb trees. True or false? True. Goats are excellent climbers and can even climb trees to reach leaves and fruits. Number 5. All cows are female. True or false? False. Male cows are called bulls, and female cows that haven't had a calf are called heifers. Number 6. All ducks have webbed feet. True or false? True. Webbed feet help ducks swim efficiently and move through the water quickly. Number 7. A donkey is the same as a horse. True or false? False. Donkeys are different from horses. They have longer ears and a distinct braying sound. Number 8. Chickens can see colors better than humans. True or false? True. Chickens have excellent color vision, even better than humans, and can see ultraviolet light. Number 9. Sheep only eat grass. True or false? False. Sheep eat a variety of plants, including hay, clovers, and grains. Number 10. Horses can sleep with their eyes open. True or false? True. Horses can sleep with their eyes open, which helps them stay alert for predators. Number 11. Sheep can recognize human faces. True or false? True. Sheep have good memories and can recognize and remember human faces for years. Number 12. Goats can eat anything, including tin cans. True or false? False. While goats are curious and nibble on many things, they don't actually eat tin cans. They prefer plants. Number 13. Horse hooves are made of the same material as human hair and nails. True or false? True. Both are made of keratin, a strong protein that helps form the tissue of hair and nails. Number 14. Roosters can't fly. True or false? False. Roosters can fly short distances, like up into trees or fences. Number 15, horses can get sunburned. True or false? True. Horses with light-colored skin can get sunburned, especially on their noses. Number 16, ducks have waterproof feathers. True or false? True. Ducks have a special gland near their tails that produce oil to make their feathers waterproof. Number 17, a male duck is called a drake. True or false? True. Male ducks are called drakes and females are called hens. Number 18, horses have the largest eyes of any land mammal. True or false? True. Horses have very large eyes, which help them see in a wide field. Number 19, sheep are colorblind. True or false? False. Sheep can see some colors, though not as many as humans. Number 20, a female pig is called a sow. True or false? True. Female pigs are called sows, and males are called boars.
Do you love to learn? Don't forget to subscribe!
Number 21, roosters are only found on farms. True or false? False. Roosters can be found in many places around the world, not just on farms. Number 22, ducks' feet don't get cold in icy water. True or false? True. Ducks have a special blood circulation system in their feet that keep them warm in cold water. Number 23, horses can't vomit. True or false? True. Horses have a one-way valve in their stomachs that make it impossible for them to vomit. Number 24, chickens can remember over 100 different faces. True or false? True. Chickens have good memories and can remember over 100 different faces of people or animals. Number 25, pigs are herbivores and only eat plants. True or false? False. Pigs are omnivores and eat both plants and small animals. Number 26, horses can breathe through their mouth. True or false? False. Horses can only breathe through their noses, not through their mouths. Number 27, a group of geese is called a gaggle. True or false? True. When geese are on the ground, they are called a gaggle, but in the air, they are called a wedge. Number 28, turkeys can blush. True or false? True. Turkeys can change the color of their skin on their heads and necks when they are excited or upset. Number 29, goats have beards. True or false? True, many breeds of goats, both male and female, can have beards. And finally, number 30. Llamas spit when they are annoyed. True or false? True, llama spit is a way to show dominance or to discipline other llamas.
Did you learn something cool today? Comment below and subscribe.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye.